Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer tasks from Todoist to ClickUp. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Todoist app. Navigate to the project or task list you want to transfer. Select the tasks you want to move. Click on the three dots or options menu. Choose the option to export or share the tasks. Copy the selected tasks to your clipboard. Open your ClickUp app. Go to the space where you want to import the tasks. Create a new task list or choose an existing one. Click on the Add Task button. Paste the copied tasks from Todoist into the task input field. Review the tasks for any necessary adjustments. Assign due dates or labels as needed in ClickUp. Set priorities for each task if required. Save all changes to finalize the import. Double-check that all tasks have transferred correctly. Navigate through your ClickUp workspace to ensure everything is in place. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.